really fairly nice week this week with some mild temperatures.
Yeah, finally we're getting treated with more sunshine, temperatures a little bit above normal. There'll be a few little hiccups along the way. And then
showers, right?
Yeah, Wednesday looks to be one of those days, but the weekend, now the weekend's a different story. We'll get to that in just a second. Seaside is 47. Good visibility out there. Wind not too strong out of the southwest at just 5 miles per hour. So this morning we had a record low temperature. That was in McMinnville, a record high, 26 degrees. How about the rest of the state? Well, this morning we got down to 29 in Vancouver. It was 27 in Kelso, 27 for you Hood River over to the Dalles. We got down to 28 in Corvallis, but Portland held on to 31. 31 also, that was your morning temperature, Astoria. So whenever we can clear out the clouds, we really cool down, especially this time of year. Now, daytime highs will be a different story. Let's talk about where we are right now. 55 in Portland. So this puts us pretty close to what's considered normal for this time of year for a daytime high. Wind right now is calm, dew point 32, but a few clouds out to the east. But tonight, as we clear things out in a bigger way, we could get closer to matching that dew point, which currently is at 32. If that happens, now we're talking about some areas of fog for tomorrow morning. But at least for tonight, we're going to stay in the low 40s going all the way through midnight. And noticing it remains nice and clear for us. Even here in the next couple of hours, we're still going to be holding on to about 53 to 52 degrees right around Portland. Over to Mount Hood Meadows, it's 34, and this week we're expecting more of that spring skiing. We might be able to add on to our snow totals at the end of the week. Let's take a look at that ski report. Of course, in the last 24 hours, nothing new to report for snow, but over the weekend, we averaged about 3 inches of snow right around Meadows and also Timberline. So now we have a base of 138 inches there at Timberline. Meadows, just around 109 inches, 61 for you at Ski Bowl, and Bachelor at 87. So looking way ahead, way in the distance. I mean, this is light years away when you're talking about forecasting, but especially when you're talking about forecasting snow. This coming weekend, we're looking at the potential to see more snow, not only just for Mount Hood, but for the Cascades and also the Blue Mountains in eastern Oregon. We get through Sunday, we might be able to add on an additional 6 to even 12 inches of snow. We'll keep you posted and give you more details on those exact totals. Rainfall so far has not been very impressive this month. We already have a deficit now of almost an inch month to date. But what about our rainy season from October 1st? We're way behind by almost 7 inches as it stands right now. We might be able to make up for some of that as we get into this weekend, but high pressure is with us the next couple of days. Brief chance for a little bit of rain early Wednesday morning, back to partly cloudy skies, ridge returns. There comes the next system, and what is that one going to do? Well, it's going to drag in some much colder air from the north. That, coupled with enough moisture, could spell some, snow for the mountains, but could we see snow as low as the valley floor? Well, this time of year, not exactly likely, but it has happened as late as about April 1st. So, yeah, the possibility is there. Of course, this is still pretty far out in the forecast. We will keep you posted as we get a little bit closer to this coming weekend. Daytime highs tomorrow at the beach, up to about 50. Inland Valley temperatures, mid to upper 50s, starting off the morning right around freezing. Central Oregon temperatures in the upper 50s, and in the Gorge, we'll get up to about 52. Hood River, Government Camp 39. Here's your 7-day forecast, and tomorrow again close to 60, mid-50s rule through Thursday. Friday, cooler, rainier, mid-40s, and we'll be watching those morning temperatures very closely this weekend.
Because that certain special mix.
That special mix, if they come together.
Certain special.
Low snow.
All right.
Yeah, sounds good. Thanks, Natasha.
We'll be right